Hello, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And this is AI agents, right? Going to do a quick AI agents review. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. What is your favorite AI agent, right? Or what is your first AI agents review? So let me know when you get a chance and we'll get to it. Just trying to get to something new. This is something we were talking about earlier. I was actually looking for AI agents and I did run across a few last night. I actually look at the DEX tools and run numbers. And when I was looking at the decks, a lot of these AI agents popped up. So I was trying to see if you guys are into or knowledgeable about these AI agents. So let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. I was going to talk about Caspa, but I might just do a Caspa video later on this evening. But I did want to get the information started about these AI agents. So let me know in the comments if you guys hold AI agents or if you are currently looking to invest in AI agents. AI agents are probably going to be one of the next big narratives in the bull run. So don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. And this is quite a bit of hype these days surrounding AI pump, similar levels of virtuals and IA16Z. And it's not even launched yet. To this day, these platforms keep hitting new highs. I usually look at both some of these the same index to the AI agent meta to gauge its current strength. AI pumps launching a platform where you can launch agents with one click. Will it follow in the footsteps tomorrow listing date? The early hype is trending narrative does suggest so. So I'm not exactly sure about these what is this? About virtuals, but I'm trying to get up to speed on those as well and this AI pump. So back to Twitter moving forward. This is the AI agent index. I haven't heard of this Giffen. I do have this AIXBT. I've heard about that guy. Not this guy, not Luna or Mo. So let me know again which AI agents you're looking into. Somebody did mention this AIXCB is building a future anonymous financial economy from AI powered investments agents to revenue sharing ecosystems while redefining how finance works efficient, transparent, and truly DeFi. So this is the virtual app staking AIXCB alpha private group, private sale, revenue sharing, terminal access, gain access to AIXCB platforms, transforming blockchain data into actionable trading and investment signs. Really? Unpassing income from staking rewards protocol token holders influence project selection and AIXCB capital operation voting. So let me know what you guys think. This is Yo Q Feel based AI is pretty interesting as well. So this is another AIX. I think they're getting listed today. So I want to talk about virtuals, and I'm actually deep into this AI16Z. Want to know if we should pick up more or this cookie ADO. So let me go to container push Twitter. This is a few more as well. So I did see this Zebro. It's up 15%. AI 16 down today. AI rig complex and schizo terminal. So I don't know about those last two. I did pick up AI 16Z when it was down around 20, 30 cents. So I made a couple bucks on that one, guys. I can't lie there. And what is this? I don't know about Zebro. So let me know if you guys are into Zebro. But again, fan last week, it looked at the virtual agents, but I feel too stupid for that. I looked at the virtual agents. I don't know. The virtual agents price is kind of high. I really don't like to buy in anything over $1, but I might make an exception for that. Here are the top tokens last 24 hours. Swarms, Worm, TRL, Hypo, and IMMX. Why does all the agents start with AI, right? Gonna confuse the mess out of somebody. So this is the top. These are top, right? We're looking at micro caps, but these are top. Here are the top AI cryptocurrencies that have been researched on the internet 2024. Fetch AI, The Graft, Render, Bittensor, Industro Network. So these are definitely top tier. So this is CoinGecko, top AI agents by market cap. So I might pick up virtuals. I'm kind of nervous. But what is this? Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, which is the FET token. I do have some of that. We'll keep an eye on that. Virtuals look like it's coming down for us to pick it up. Is that 4.2 billion? Virtuals 4.1 billion. AI 16, 2.4 billion. This FAI, was it FAI? Yeah, that's right. 7 cents, 596 million. So these guys, AIXBT for AIXCB, but AIXBT is down 2%. Swarms is down 4%. Paul AI down 2%. And the rest of these, there's games by Virtuals. Virtuals got the lock on AI, looks like. Yes, I'm looking at cookies last night. Singular and based AI. Based AI. So this is one you're talking about, the based AI. So let me know in the comments. I did get this I didn't get this Eliza, but I did have this one. I think this is a sister company. Just trying to get this understood because there is a lot coming at your boy, right? I am drowning in information lately, just trying to make sense of it. I picked up this artificial liquid intelligence years ago, and it's been around this point for a while. This neutron looks like it's running up. And let's see. So that's on CoinGecko. So these are the top ones on Coin Ranking, and I wish they had them by. Actually, I do have them on market cap. So this is that super intelligence, which is FET 4 billion, virtuals 4.1 billion, the graph 2 billion. AI 16 used to be on the meme coin side, then they switched it over to AI. Grass FAI, FXBT by virtuals. Just making a quick note here. I did pick up those Momate as well. So what is this? This is XBT. Um, just looking for some low cap bangers. This RAI, $10 though. Come on. Let me see here. LimeWire, pass, just from bad experiences from the past. These guys loaded me up with viruses. I lost several machines messing with this LimeWire. Um, Sleepless AI, that sounds pretty cool. So let's sort this by price. Let's see what we got here. Bad idea. Up 15%. We need to do the research on that. And what is this? BAD. And Zeta. Artificial liquid intelligence. My guys. Wisdom AI. Kind of new to the AI space. I got in this a long time ago. It's coming down as well. This AI tech Color. No comment. AIG, the graft, line wires. This is literally the other side of the chart we just looked at. Artificial liquid intelligence. No, super intelligence. Virtuals and net mind. $4 at a 190 million market cap. It's kind of nice. Holding SNSY. This project will be huge and extremely undervalued at the present time. What is up, Mason? What is this SNSY? We'll look up that in a minute. But yeah, just trying to get a hold on the virtuals, right? Or this AI. So the best AI agents and platforms. So we got virtual, best for co-owning AI agents. This AI 16 top open source framework. Truth Terminal, first decentralized AI influencer. AIZBT, most trending on Twitter. And Top Hat. Everyone in crypto is talking about AI agents, but most misunderstood what they actually are. Often confused with AI meme coins with autonomous agents that created them. To clarify, we're exploring projects that combine AI with blockchain to create autonomous system capabilities of market analysis. Um, AI to create autonomous systems capable of market analysis, social media interaction, and on chain activity. Below is a summary of tables of AI agents detailing their functionality and token ecosystem. Virtuals is on base 1.4 billion co-ownership. AI BX, Trust Me Bros, Luna Vader. AI 16 Dose, and Eliz Wake Up. Truth Terminal is on Solana. 540 million. Farcoin Infinity Backrooms. AI XBT is on Base Virtuals Protocol. So most of these are on Base, I see. Let users create, trade, co-own agents customized for gaming and entertainment. Blockchain features as immutable, contribute vaults, ensure fair compensation data set contributors, while tokenization aligns incentives for users and developers. Through the initial agent offering AIO, users launched tokenized agents facilitating decentralized co-ownership. These agents are fully autonomous. What? Capable of planning, interacting in their environment, and performing on-chain transactions via integrated wallets. Platforms host more than 135 tokenized agents with a combination market cap of 5.6 billion, including notables like Vader AI, AITB. The virtual token ecosystem has 4 billion market cap with over 240,000 holders. Okay. And Eliza, open source framework building, managing, created paradox of AI 16 fund, while not only not being no code, it still simplifies development of modular character systems and memory management using retrieval augmented generation. Supports local and cloud based interference, offering developers flexible and customizing agent behavior. The project modularizes open source nature to make accessible wide range use cases, including AI assistants, um, social media persons, and knowledge workers. Has 28 agents, combined market cap of 2.6, integrates with X, Discord, and Telegram. The IA16 token valued at 2 billion can be traded with 5x leverage on Hyperliquid. Volumes range from 20 million to 40 million. Social media followers 89,000. Okay. Truth Terminal is the Godius Maximum fart coin, which exceeds 500 million, 1.3 billion. Market cap relatively nearly 200,000 combined holders, with GOAT as seen as engagement decline. Fartcoin averages 60,000 impressions per post. This is actually the Truth Terminal, created by Andy, is the first AI agent with the ability to post online as execute online transactions, built fine-tuned by Claude models with unconventional data sets and increasing temperature outputs. It produces eccentric and unpredictable content. You might need to check into that, actually. So then we have AIX, one of the most trending crypto AI agents built on virtuals, providing market insight, on-chain analysis, and updates on hot narratives. Created November 2024 by pseudo developers, RBX, and agents built over 300,000 X followers, while popular AI BXT analyzers rely on tracking narratives rather than reviewing technical details like code. White papers with 60 million smart reach 60%, 16 to 18. Mind share remains among the most widely discussed AI agents to date. AI BX are available on layer 3, has 500 million market cap, 135,000 holders, an average of 80,000 impressions per post. High tier holders 600,000 tokens, and access AI BT terminal, a market intelligence tool offered in-depth data analysis. Why haven't I got into this earlier? 600,000 holders. I'm behind the curve. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is top AI powered. So we have BitTender, which is pricey. Trading range from 400 to 700. Near protocol surge 125% from 360 to $8. However, due to market uncertainty and profit taking, price corrected 32%. Then we have the graph. similar to near, has experienced notable price decline, has now reached the golden Fibonacci zone, ideal investment for 2025. However, due to market uncertainty, GRT appears to be consolidating with a tight range. Seth Lord, what is up, man? So you say RAI and Node Lie AI. Okay. Render, of course, $6.80, consolidating within a tight range, near strong support by 200 exponential moving average. And ICP, I'm not sure about ICP. ICP is a very debatable and a lot going on with those guys. Amidst uncertainty, ICP token of the internet computer experienced a price decline of 35%, found support of 200-day exponential moving average in the horizontal level of $9.50. However, ICP now appears to be recovering. Based on recent price action, there's a strong possibility ICC could rally 45% to reach $15 level in the coming days. The bullish thesis will hold ICP remains 950 mark, however, may fail. So let me see, where are we? So quick, what exactly is AI? Is a artificial intelligence program designed to work autonomously. So it's working by itself. Unlike bots, AI agents are able to learn from experience, adapt, and improve the performance over time. These agents can analyze large amounts of data, make real-time information decisions, and perform autonomous tasks without need for human intervention. I like that. Say you like it, I love it. In the crypto context, AI agents are used to manage portfolios, optimize trading strategies, and create digital assets such as NFTs. Their speed and intelligence make them very useful tools in the investor, especially 24-hour market like crypto. So there's AIXBT, Vader AI, Goat Terminal, Ajon. This Zebra is everywhere, and so is this AIXBT and this Poly Trader agent. Let's see if we can invest in that. So this is a quick video from Altcoin Rover. Let's see what he has to say.
Top 100, and there is a very big hype around them right now, and that is why on today's video I'm gonna be doing a deep dive in towards AI of the entire crypto right now, and I am going to give you my top 5 picks right now for this upcoming cycle. So without any further ado, don't forget to once again slap all that like button on today's update video, and let me dive straight away in. First of all, I want to give you that bigger perspective in the market right now here, because honestly I do believe that this is one of the worst timings to be fading altcoins right now here. Honestly, everyone is saying no, altcoins is not going to be great here, but I personally do not really believe that. I really believe a major altcoin season is still yet to start, and I mean, a lot of data is proving that fact. Of course, make sure to always do your own research on the altcoins I'm going to be mentioning, because I am not a financial advisor, and of course cryptocurrencies sometimes can go to zero, but like we do know, also sometimes they can explode. So there's always a major risk involved in any of them. But really, if we're going to be looking at the top sectors performing in crypto, we can see the word AI is coming back quite a lot here. And we can see that first of all, we have AI agent launchpads, which are doing extraordinary because AI agents are doing enormously well here. And then you have AI agents, number 61, is one of the fastest growing sectors in the crypto market right now here. And I'm going to give you my top 5 picks on this sector. So let me kick off this video with going in towards the first pick here. And the first pick is AI16Z. This AI agent has been absolutely crushing it. Honestly, if you look at its performance in the last 3 months here, 3 months ago it was sitting around 3 cents. It was even sitting lower than that. It was sitting around 1.5 cents, and now it is sitting around $1.64. And you can see it over here on the chart. It has been absolutely going down heavily, but most recently it has absolutely started to explode.
Yeah, I wish I would have got deeper into this because it's a banger. Let me know what you guys think about AI 16Z. Sith Lord saying, which NSX would you buy when it's on ETH, base, and Arbitron? I'm probably going with the top one. It would probably be ETH. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. Is it the same one across the platforms like a wormhole or something? Or is it actually three different? I'm kind of staying away from base, but I might have to start getting deeper in the base. But let me know what you guys think about that as well. This is an open forum, so I'm trying to get your information and advice and kind of crafting it into a learning experience for all of the live listeners and the users and anyone trying to get into this AI narrative. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. And what is your favorite base? What is your favorite AI agent play? Since it is going to be a big narrative, and if you think it's too late to invest in AI agents. Let's get back to Altcoin Rover.
Even while the conditions on Bitcoin weren't that great in the last period in the market, this coin still managed to outperform all of them. And this is, of course, an AI agent as well, sitting right now around $1.7 billion in market cap. And if we're going to be looking at AI agents, what are the biggest ones? This is the third largest one of all of them right now here. So honestly, I still really do believe it still has got huge amounts of potential to grow even further than it is currently sitting. And I honestly do believe, of course, you have to do your own research, that most of the projects I will be mentioning today here still do have that potential to also climb much, much higher, since this sector is still particularly lowly valued. Because we can see, of course, this number 3 sitting around P74 market cap, but it can of course easily grow much higher. And then of course, looking also at this chart, it is currently going exponential, and usually whenever coins go exponential, there is always some risk involved. So make sure to get a good buying opportunity and study it yourself. Always never listen to someone on the internet. But also, to go further in towards the video, we have Lucky Dog. Lucky Dog is number 2 pick for me here. It is definitely a smaller one here, but my friend who done a lot of research on this project said that major whales from Brett, from SPX, they are all buying in towards Lucky Dog here. And since it is right now only sitting around $4 million in market cap, it's still particularly low valued. I have tweeted about it a couple times ago here as well. It is currently sitting ever so slightly below my entry price. It is indeed down bad here, but of course, whenever coins are down bad, it sometimes can allow very great opportunities. Always make sure to do your own research because it could be highly risky. Some coins go to 0 and some of them, they go just 100x here. But this one is right now, of course, particularly low, and it is closely back towards its entry price here. So very interesting to definitely observe that one for yourself as well here. I am very excited for it, and it is of course on the base chain, which is also one of my favorite chains out there. Then to go in towards number 3, we've got another very interesting AI agent project, which is Tokenmetrics AI here, also sitting at P1000, a little bit below P1000 in market cap here, sitting then of course at fully diluted $64 million US. Looking at the liquidity, it is looking very strong here. It's got listed also on multiple exchanges. It's listed on Maxi and Gate.io here, which is of course very great to be seeing good volume coming from those exchanges as well here. And really, if you're looking in towards this project, it indeed had a very big drop off while it got listed and then massively recovered with huge amounts of volume. Guys, look at the volume. They went over $1.7 million in volume in towards this project, which is of course a lot. That is a lot. So volume really giving me the confirmation that there is interest in the project. Now it is just slowly consolidating downwards. As this sector, the AI agent sector, is growing, I do believe many of these projects still can flourish after this as well here. And just like this one here as well, AI16Z, guys, it is up 33% only today here. So it is going absolutely exponential. You can see on the 1 hour time frame, it is flying higher. And honestly, I bought a little bit of it, but I wish I bought much more. So this one as well, Token Metrics AI, sitting particularly low in market cap here. So if you compare it to these other ones, which are sitting around $1.8 billion in market cap, this one, of course, could potentially do much better in terms of performance. Then as well, another one I have mentioned a while back, guys. I mean, Base AI, I've been buying in towards it for a very long time right now here. I've been holding it. I've not really bought more ever since I talked about it before in October as well. I mean, since that buy around $2, we are majorly up here. And at some point, it even went 4x. But now I am still holding a little bit of this token as well here, since they're doing a lot of stuff with AI agencies as well here. And they're just doing an extraordinary job here. They're sitting already around $131 million in market cap. They are listed on many great exchanges. I think it can still perform very well. It is still down bad a little bit from the highs right now here, but I do believe with the entire market being down right now here, with everyone not being focused on altcoins right now, there is a big opportunity also on based AI right now here. Chart is looking fire. I think the accumulation range right here is not looking bad at all here. I mean, we're exactly getting in around this level where there's been a lot of consolidation and a lot of support and a lot of buying happened around this zone here. So I'm very excited for that here. And then my last pick is, of course, a coin that most of you already know here, which is, of course, Fetch AI, right now known as FET, right now also known as Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. They work together with multiple AI projects, combine them in one large project, and right now is, of course, the biggest AI project out there, but only sitting around P46 in market cap. And that really spells the question for me here. This should go much higher in my opinion. I think this really is only the starting point of Fetch AI here. Of course, like I mentioned before here, you always have to do your own research, but I really think this one is going to be exploding next year towards the upside. I have been buying publicly in towards this coin around 30 cents here. I've tweeted about it. I talked about it in the bear market. No one believed the AI hype was going to come, but of course, I said it first on my channel. I said it first on my Twitter page, and look at where it brought us right now here. I mean, it did already about a 10x. Now it is coming down again here, but I do believe still it's going to be doing much more, and I am personally still also accumulating this one. I think it is looking great here, and as the bull market is going to progress, as Bitcoin is going to be continuing, and as the altcoin season is going to come, this is probably going to be exploding much further from off this.
Nice correction, as you can see, from the high at 100 and
So I was watching this video earlier, so I'm just trying to go back to see what is Solana.
so
So let's check out these Solana AI agents real quick. And let me see here. Before we get into that, it was another video. This crypto empire guy's cranking them out. Let me see. I'm not trying to go too far into this, but let me see. There's a massive upgrade. I don't care. Marco. See what this guy's talking about. I was looking for an actual list. But I don't see one. I think we just saw that video. Is this top 5? Wait. Is this the same video? Yeah, I think we did see that.
PPC Land's AI Speaks Marketing podcast. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest AI marketing trends. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a topic that's been making waves in the marketing world, AI agents. PPC Land just dropped a new article on this, so we're going to break it all down for you and explore how these agents can be supercharge your marketing efforts.
It's interesting how AI agents are being seen as the natural evolution of what we've witnessed with large language models. Imagine taking those powerful language capabilities and giving them the ability to interact with the real world. That's the exciting potential we're talking about.
So it's like giving a language model, say ChatGPT, actual hands to reach out and do things in the real world. I'm already intrigued. What kinds of things can these AI agents actually do?
Think of it this way. Imagine you have a marketing assistant who can not only write compelling ad copy, but also analyze campaign performance, adjust bids, and even identify new target audiences, all without needing constant supervision.
That will free up so much time for marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. But I am curious, what's the fundamental difference between these AI agents and the language models we're already familiar with?
One of the key distinctions highlighted in the Google white paper from September 2024 by Weisinger, Marlowe, and Fiskovich is the ability of AI agents to utilize tools to tap into external systems and information. While traditional language models are limited to their training data, AI agents can go beyond that, interacting with the real world in a much more dynamic way.
Tools. Okay. Now I'm really interested. Can you give me some examples of these tools and how they work?
Let's break down the three main types mentioned in the white paper: extensions, functions, and data stores. Extensions act like bridges, connecting AI agents to various APIs. Think of things like automatically booking ad placements across different platforms or pulling real time data from analytics dashboards.
So it's like giving the AI agent a direct connection to all the different marketing platforms and tools we use every day.
Precisely. Now, functions give developers more control over how the agent interacts with the user. Imagine you're working on a new ad campaign, and the AI agent suggests a few different target audience options. Instead of making the decision itself, it might trigger a function that presents those options to you within your campaign management platform, allowing you to make the final call.
So it's a more collaborative approach
Hmm.
where the AI agent and the marketer work together. What about data stores? What role do they play?
Data stores are all about giving the AI agent access to a wealth of relevant information. Let's say you're trying to optimize a PPC campaign. An AI agent connected to a data store could pull in real time data on competitor ad spending, keyword performance, and even customer demographics, giving it a much deeper understanding of the market landscape.
This is all starting to make sense, but I have to ask, how does an AI agent actually think and make these strategic marketing decisions? It sounds like there's a lot going on behind the scenes.
That gets into the fascinating realm of the orchestration layer, which is essentially the brain of the AI agent. It determines how the agent processes information reasons and decides what actions to take. One popular framework for this is called REACT, which stands for Reason and Act.
React. Okay, tell me more about how this framework works in the context of marketing.
Imagine your AI agent is tasked with managing a PPC campaign. Using the React framework, it might start by reasoning. Okay, the goal is to increase conversions while staying within budget. Then it would take action, perhaps by analyzing keyword performance data and identifying opportunities for bid adjustments. It would then observe the results of those adjustments, reason about their effectiveness, and take further action based on what it learns. This constant cycle of reasoning, acting, and observing is what makes AI agents so adaptable and powerful. It's like having a marketing expert who never sleeps and is constantly learning and improving.
That's pretty amazing when you think about it. Yeah, but this React framework, is that the only way these AI agents can be trained to think?
Not at all. The source material actually outlines a few different learning methods, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. We've got in context learning, retrieval based in context learning, and fine tuning based learning. They all play a role in shaping how these AI agents develop their marketing expertise.
I'm curious to hear more about these different learning approaches. What makes each one unique?
Let's start with in context learning. Imagine giving your AI agent a set of guidelines for creating a social media campaign, along with a few examples of successful campaigns in the past.
It seems pretty interesting. I'll put the link to that video in the description because it doesn't look like the video is moving. So we'll keep going there. This is what is this? Top AI agents to buy. So let's see what this guy's talking about. This is Solana. I think he'll go to base in a
Solana
second.
infrastructure, and for that there's Griffin. All right, Griffin right now is at a $273 million market cap, and this
A lot of people are talking about this graphane thing. I don't know. Let me see what they're talking about.
one has been shouted out by the Solana Foundation. A lot of talks that it's backed by Solana, And I'm quite bullish on Griffin. I do think that this one has the potential to go to billions. And if we look at the Griffin chart, it has gone parabolic, but it's been cooling off for a while now. Looking at the chart on the daily time frame, this thing went parabolic from the start of December up until December 13th, and it's been in this long consolidation now. All right, if we go to the price chart over here, it's been in this long consolidation, and it's bounced every time, or it's bounced off of the lows over here at the 61.8 at 15 cents. Okay, so this consolidation is likely going to lead to another pump higher. And again, it went parabolic from the start of December. It went 100x essentially in 9 days. And now it's in its first major consolidation. Now Solana it's kind of been lagging besides AI16Z and the AI agent front. But Griffin, in terms of infrastructure, is definitely one to have on your radar. And personally, this is one that I'm actually the most bullish on. I think it can do really well. All right. So anyways, there is a demand zone down here from 18 cents down to 11 cents. Every time prices come into it recently, it's bounced aggressively. If you want the entry that is basically at a discount, you should look for prices in this demand zone. It may break out here and go to new highs. Okay. My bags are filled on this personally, and we'll see what happens. But again, your demand zone entry would be down here from 18 to 11 cents on Griffin. Now, one more infrastructure play on Solana. By the way, Griffin is also, some of their agents are going live currently at the moment. They did just launch an agent. Well, they have a few. I'll show you. There's NAI, which is the first one. And currently it's at a 4.5 million market cap. Chart looks all right in the sense that it just went through its major 80% pullback. Okay, so a lot of times you'll see this parabolic move like so, and then an 80% pullback. And if it's going to be bullish, it will go to new highs from here. So NAI could be a play, extremely high risk. I look at it as a meme coin on Solana. So it can go either way. It's a coin flip. And then there is also SIAMP, which is brand new from Griffin and currently going parabolic at a $2.3 million market cap, right? This one actually launched yesterday at 4 p.m. And this is the chart currently, SAIMP. I believe this is like some kind of communication for AI agents to use. I believe it's been coined as the email for AI agents or something of that nature. Anyways, brand new coin from Griffin. Could be an interesting play. Look into it on your own. Definitely not giving it a stamp of endorsement, but it's the hot thing right now. And if you want to be in the trenches, look into it as it's just breaking out of this range currently. Now let's go ahead and move on to one more infrastructure play on Solana, and that's going to be ALCH, Alchemist AI. And again, this is like the Google Play Store for AI agents. It allows you to launch things with no coding required. It makes it very easy for anyone out there to go ahead and launch essentially. But anyways, here you can see that you can input any simple description to begin building your application. Like I said, it's like the Google Play Store for AI agents in a sense. So also, this is very popular. A lot of people are already on to Alchemist, and a lot of people are really bullish on this for good reason, okay? So anyways, definitely check out this one on your own. Alchemist AI could be a major play. Looking at the chart, ALCH, currently 60 million market cap. And similar to Griffin, it went parabolic, and it's basically in a bit of a consolidation right now. And this does look like a descending wedge, and I would be looking for it to break out of this, all right? Nice correction, as you can see, from the high at 160 million market cap. It did go down 80%, which is a very good thing to see. And now it's bounced, and it's in a pullback, okay? So Griffin and ALCH, in terms of my most bullish picks on Solana, those are the two at the current moment in time. So that's a lot of infrastructure plays. Now let's go over some actual individual agents. And the main one for sure is going to be AI XBT by Virtuals. And what this is, it's basically an AI influencer in the sense that it scrapes and it aggregates a bunch of different data out there from Twitter and the likes, and it comes up with its own alpha, if you will, on the crypto market. You can ask it things on Twitter, you can tag it, and it will get back to you. I believe there's a huge queue at the current moment in time for it to get back to you, so it could take a while. But if you go look at its Twitter account, it's basically just spitting out things about crypto all day long. As you can see, talking about many different projects. I mean, it just doesn't stop essentially, and it's always responding to things as well. Now, sometimes it gives great alpha, and sometimes it doesn't give great alpha, much like many crypto influencers that do exist. But nonetheless, this has taken off. And if we go back to cookie.fun, right, this is basically the biggest one by market share, by mind share. Everyone is looking at what AIXBT is going to tweet next. So for AIXBT, if you are looking to buy a pullback, the 0.5 to the 0.618 down here at around a 300 million market cap makes a lot of sense. However, if this thing has hit critical mass and it just keeps on going up, the pullbacks may be very shallow and short-lived. So it's up to you if you want to jump in now. I mean, it's very high risk. This thing is up huge in a very short amount of time. But again, this is the largest mind share in basically all of cryptocurrency at the current moment in time. But anyways, AIXBT, definitely the leader right now in the AI agents on virtuals. And that is expected to continue as it does keep on improving. Now, there are some other AI agent influencer plays out there. But for now, let's get into some of these other big ones. There's also ZeroBro, which is on Solana. However, it did just get integrated into virtuals. Right now, ZeroBro is at a 55. Right now, ZeroBro is at 55 cents at a $550 million market cap. And basically, this makes music. As you can see, the ZeroBro cross-chain AI artist. All right. So this is a very interesting one and another AI agent, and it's also going parabolic. All of these charts, again, they look identical to one another in the sense that they're all way up and to the right. Here's ZeroBro breaking out of the consolidation. Looks similar to Griffane pre-breakout on Solana. Another big one. Check it out on your own. Look into the music that it makes and the likes. Now, there are some other ones that are essentially portfolio managers. One of these is Vader. And Vader, as we can read right here, participates in DAOs that hold virtuals agents. So basically, it's like a portfolio manager. All right. And Vader, again, if we look at the chart, 103 million market cap. It has doubled very rapidly. As you can see, in the past 11 days, is up 272%, so over a 3x. Vader, big one. Another one similar is going to be Sequoia. Sequoia here by Virtuals, similar type of project in the sense that it's a portfolio manager. And you can see it's at a 36 mil market cap. Now, Sequoia is interesting. If you look at its public holdings in its portfolio, it's holding this coin here, Gecko, or Gecko Terminal. You can read it's an AI-powered autonomous trading platform with gamified prediction markets backed by A16Z-backed team showing strong early traction. And it invested in this token on December 20th. Now, Gecko, if we look at it over here, it's at a 9.5 mil market cap. And this one is not gone parabolic yet. So out of every coin I've shared in this video, this one does look the most appealing in the sense that it has a healthy chart and it hasn't gone parabolic at this current moment in time. Now, they are going to be launching their own terminal, and I think it's going to be similar to AIXBT. Right? They say it's entertainment, but I think it's going to be a lot more than entertainment. From everything that I've researched into Gecko recently, this one could be a major sleeper pick inside the Virtuals Protocol AI agent ecosystem. Again, sub 10 mil market cap. Chart does look like this right now. Gecko is an AI agent that brings 1980s Wall Street ambition to generate alpha in the 2020s, much like AIXBT, for example. So Gecko, biggest sleeper pick of this video by far. Look, it's at 54% on the day, but look at the chart compared to all the other agent charts. It hasn't gone vertical, all right? So Gecko, again, could be the most attractive play from every coin I've shared in this video. And I said I was going to share 10, but look, I don't even know. I lost count how many because, again, these are the new meme coins. There's just an infinite amount of them created. But nonetheless, Gecko, check it out. Sleeper pick. Could be a banger. There's also a game by Virtual, and game is essentially more of a framework, as we can see here. Now, if we check out game on Virtual, it's the number one listed here. And we can read. So the game empowers AI agents to operate autonomously, processing and inputs, generating responses while learning from past interactions. So a lot of these AI agents.
So what do you think? Is it better for code or framework? Actual agents or the actual agent framework? What do you think is best to invest in? All you guys that are degens into the AI agent plays. I'm not an AI agent, so I'm just trying to understand and figure out what's going on. So let me know in the comments.
Are actually just using the game framework to run. So this is a main project here in the infrastructure play when it comes to all these virtual agents. Here's the chart. It's gone parabolic. Could it go to billions? Right now it's at 250 mil. Sure, it can. But again, if you want to top last, be my guest. Maybe this is the correction here and it continues to rise from 25 cents towards the dollar level. But game for sure is one to check out. Now there's also the prefrontal cortex Convo agent by Virtuals called Convo. Convo right now is at a $66.5 million market cap. And here is the chart on Virtuals on the daily time frame. Well, there you go. Parabolic. Past few days, it has pulled back. Could this be the pullback? I mean, for sure it could, right? It's at 6 cents right now. I would be looking around 4 to 3 cents for a good level to buy inside of a demand zone. But this is a pretty significant pullback in the sense that it has gone down 50%, currently down 40% from that all-time high. But here you can see the description. So the prefrontal cortex Convo agent is an advanced AI system built for meaningful dynamic conversations. It integrates perception, long-term memory, and decision-making. It's very similar to game. Very similar to game. So two frameworks here that other agents are using, but game is the main one. Not to make this video too long, but there's also Hack, H4CK by Virtuals, low market cap. Basically, this is a white hat hacker that finds vulnerabilities in code, and it basically splits out the bounty from finding these vulnerabilities. Look, there's an AI agent for basically everything. These AI agents are personal assistants that can basically, they're going to be doing anything that a human being can do. So you can use them, you can create them and program them to basically do anything. So this is the overall gist of AI agents. This was a pretty long video, guys, but there was a lot to talk about today and a lot of different projects to go over. I shared with you some of my top picks.
So let me know what you think about his top picks. Worth looking into, a waste of time, or good investments. I think there is one more video before we shut it down. Let me see what this guy is.
हाय विनर्स, क्रिप्टो यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिप्टो का रास्ता। विनर्स, एआई एजेंट का टाइम बहुत जबरदस्त तरीके से क्रिप्टो मार्केट आ चुका है एंड यू नो इस टाइम पर एआई एजेंट जितने टोकन है वो बहुत तेजी से एक्सप्लोड हो रहे हैं और ऐसी लिस्ट में आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे देख लिए होंगे जो 50 मिलियन 100 मिलियन इवन 1 बिलियन की मार्केट कैप।
Okay, I guess we're not going to watch that video. Let's see if we can find another quick video. If not, I guess we can shut it down. Go back to Clinics Crypto. See if he has anything. We can run this real quick. See if there's any useful information here before we call it a day. Thanks for joining. Thanks for like, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll try to make a Kaspa video this evening. Gonna make a lot of videos, guys. A lot going on. The bull run is coming. Get ready, get prepared, get some dry powder.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back.
Which
to
is
Solutions
cash,
Show. Hope
not
you're doing great. So
powder,
welcome to this new
but get some
AI agents,
get some
video.
dry
Couple points I
money
wanna talk
ready
about.
just in case
Three
we do come across a pretty good investment. I think I'm going to keep picking up or keep researching these AI agents, and we'll take it from there. So yeah, let's go with this guy and
three different AI agent
be right
projects
back.
that I think have potential, and that are also, I mean, right now I'm pre-recording this, so I'm not sure if the whole entire AI agent narrative, as it has been in the last week, especially, but weeks already. But overall, it's a pretty difficult narrative. A lot of coins have just gone up only, and that has been amazing. But there are definitely some obstacles and some things that are a little bit less easy to do, right? And it's also quite difficult to actually spot these good projects when they're still at a market cap where they can actually rise quite a bit. So that's what I wanted to get into. All right, 3 projects. They are quite different projects as well, and there's different reasons why I like them. They're also from different market caps, so the potential is also a little bit different for all of them. But let's get right into it. So the first project that I wanted to talk about is Spore. Now, I'll leave links down to all of these projects down in the description as well, so you will be able to find. I'll probably put all of the charts, the links down in the description. But the first one is Spore. As you can see, mind share is going up very nicely. Right now, it's at around 1.32%, and what that makes it is it's I believe the AI swarm or AI agent swarm project with the highest mindshare, and that's why I wanted to include it. I think the chart also looks amazing. I mean, usually when you revisit a local top like this, like I said, I'm pre-recording this a bit, so I'm not sure what the chart will look like later. But at a $66 million market cap, I think this is a decent pick to go higher. This is also from AI16Z, the platform. And it uses some of their technology, and that platform is doing very well as well, as you can see right here, gaining a lot of mind share and overtook virtuals. So therefore, it's interesting. If you don't know what an AI swarm is it's basically AI agents created by AI agents, and all of them have their own tokens, etc. So look, I'm not going to tell you that this is going to be the next internet or something. I don't know. It looks interesting, but what do I know? And they obviously are trained to make it look interesting. What I know is that this is the biggest AI swarm. AI agents are still very hyped up. I think AI swarms are an interesting concept, at least within AI agents. I think the chart looks good. I think the market cap is, well, justifiable is a big word, but compared to other AI agents, I think it's justifiable. So therefore, I do think you need to keep an eye on it, and definitely, and I will be watching how this swarm thing goes, because basically what's going on is you have these different AIs through Spore, and they make these new AI agents, and then it's basically like human evolution. Creating these better and better AI agents that are also launching their own tokens. Very interesting. But overall, that's well, I'm not sure if they actually all have their own tokens. I do think so. Yeah, that's true. Interesting project. Links will be down in the description. Now let's go and get on to the second one, and that's Freza.ai. This is it. How it is very simply stated is that it's the world's first evolving AI. Now, the main reason why I think this is an interesting coin, because the market cap, I mean, look at this chart, all right? So I would wait for a pullback with this, because first of all, the chart is going absolutely parabolic. But outside of that, the market cap is quite high already as well, $340 million. But the thing is that the ultimate mix for me is when a project is backed by some major players in the crypto industries, which Freza is. I'm not sure who name called the project again, but it's followed by some major accounts. Such as High Stakes Capital and Not Easy and Awawatt. So that is one of the key reasons why I think it's interesting. And it's also like there are some interesting pieces being written by this AI agent. You also have some historical acts where, well, in general, I'll leave a link down in the description to this. It's an interesting idea, interesting concept, and that combination with the backing it has, I think makes it worth to DCA into. But this is a little bit of a trickier one, because like I said, I personally would wait for a pullback. I would prefer a bigger pullback, actually, but who knows if it's actually going to happen. And it's difficult to still buy when you actually get a deep pullback like that. But overall, seems like this is going higher. And this is, for example, like it has a $336 million market cap. I think this can still get into $1 billion market cap. So market caps are also a bit of a scam, of course. And last but not least, it is Farm. Now, there's different reasons why I wanted to include this as well. In general, what it is it's a fully on-chain and autonomous AI creatures living in the farm. So basically living in this world, kind of based on Stardew Valley, but also Pixelmon, etc. Interesting concept. But one of the big reasons why I wanted to include this is because this AI agent is built on Hyperliquid, the token at least. And Hyperliquid has dropped down quite a bit in the last 2 weeks, but I still think in 2025 it's going to do amazing. And Farm, the chart also looks quite good as well. I mean, this chart, like it has, this one actually has the lowest market cap out of all the projects we've talked about, even though it is a quite prominent coin on Hyperliquid. So that market cap and then being an AI agent on Hyperliquid, one of the biggest ones, actually, not the biggest one, I think Vapor is bigger. But that makes it, in my eyes, that makes it quite a good coin, or at least it makes it a coin with quite a lot of potential. Then outside of that, I like the idea as well. I mean, here you can see they're still developing a lot of things. Like you can also at some point of time actually battle with the characters, with the creatures that you have on the farm. And the developers in general behind this actually do seem to be building an interesting project and also a unique product. So that combination, I think, also with the charts, so 3 things that make it interesting, and those are also the things why I think you need to keep this on your watch list as well. But those are my thoughts. Those are the 3 projects: Farm, Phraser.ai, and Spore. I'll leave links down in the description to their charts probably. So if you do have any questions about them to me, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Let me reset my camera so you can see me.
So let me know what you guys think about AI tokens, AI generation, the AI agent as a whole. I was actually looking at Dodge coin miners, so just something to do on the side. But let me know what you think. You want to keep talking about AI agents or AI tokens or AI agent infrastructure or code or vice versa. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for supporting your main man, BTM. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Thanks for joining. Remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.